We have three cases. First case is cause number 330104. Second case is cause number 330106. Third case is cause number 330160. All three cases are styled the state of Texas versus Tavares Loran Basha. Mr. Basha, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Basha, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Sir.
Okay, you may put your hand down. Mr. Basha, how are you doing?
I'm okay.
That's good. Mr. Basha, let's see. Okay, Mr. Basha, in cause number 330104, the information alleges that on or about May 31st of 2021, hold on a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, the information in that case, Mr. Basha, alleges that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Mr. Basha, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to discharge Mr. Basha, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Freely.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Basha, I have before me a document that is titled the misdemeanor admonishment. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials on a line next to the box that's checked guilty. The initials are TB. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
And on page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document, Mr. Basha, this document is titled the trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal. Mr. Basha, there's a signature at the bottom of this document above the line that's titled defendant. Did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
And there are two boxes checked at the top of this document. The first box states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box states that you're waiving your right to appeal, which means that you are waiving your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Basha, did you sign a document out there that is titled the discovery certification?
Sir.
Did you sign a document out there that is titled the discovery certification?
Yes, sir.
He has
Now,
that, Your Honor, to give to the bailiff.
Okay, now, Mr. Basha, prior to signing and initialing these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that he went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit 1. State, you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Fager, you have any objections?
None, Your Honor.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Fager, you've advised in counsel, Mr. Basha. Is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None.
Mr. Basha, your attorney, Mr. Faggett, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Basha, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea of guilty and waivers was freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. It's for 15 days county jail and the dismissal of cause numbers 330106 and 330160.
Okay, Mr. Basha, the state is offering that you serve 15 days in the Jefferson County Jail. You have his commitment. This is the Mr. Basha, you'll be given credit for any time that you're entitled to get by law. And you'll be required, is there a you'll be required to pay the court cost of $327. Would you be able to pay the $327?
not this moment.
You know what I'm saying? Or before you get out, would you be able to pay it?
Not this moment.
Okay. Now, Mr. Basha, I'm looking at a affidavit of indigency that is on file in your case, and it was apparently signed on July 11 of 2021 when Judge Posh appointed you an attorney. In this affidavit, it stated that you have no income, and is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And Posh met the eligibility requirements for the court appointed attorney and that you were indigent. So the court is going to find that because you are indigent, your court cost is going to be waived pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. And Mr. Basha, let me repeat this to you. 15 days will be served in county jail, and you will be given credit for any time that you're entitled to get by law. The court cost of $327, you will not have to pay that because you are innocent, and it will be waived pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Mr. Basha, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept the state's offer? Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Basha, the state will be dismissing cause number 330106, cause number 330160. Mr. Basha, this will conclude your cases. You can follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day.